Today we'll talk about how can you disable notifications on your RetailMeNot app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, click here on account down here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click on settings here. Then it's going to take you to this list and you click here on push notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. You can to show notifications here, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's means show notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.